The deadliest tornado in U.S. history is the Tri-State Tornado, which struck on March 18, 1925. This tornado traveled across three states: Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. It holds the record for the longest continuous path of any tornado, covering about 219 miles. This tornado resulted in 695 fatalities and over 2,000 injuries, causing immense destruction in its wake. The town of Murfreesboro and Gorham in Illinois were particularly hit hard, with significant loss of life and property. The tri-state tornado remains a benchmark for the severity of tornadoes in the United States.